Hello, student. After the discussion of shape of s orbital, p orbital, and d orbital, we are going to our next topic: filling of orbitals in atom. We can filling of orbital in atom by electron first applicable by above principle. Above, not a scientist, it's a German word. It means building up. Building up. It can be defined as the principal state that in ground state of the atom. The orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energies. Ground state of the atom. It means ground state means actual energy state. We have already read that uh, when energy absorb the electron excited into ground state to excited state. When energy emitted, then atoms come from excited state to ground state. The energies of the orbital is increasing order like this. 1s is lower energy than the 2s is lower energy than the 2p, and so on. The 1s is lowest energy and 7p is a highest energy according to FOW. This is a building up of ground state of the energies of orbital 1s 2s 2p. The direction of the arrow give the order of filling of orbitals that starting from right top to bottom left. It means the first electron enter in 1s, then second electron enter in 2p, third electron enter 2s, and third electron enter, then electron enter in 2p and 3s. Then after the 3s, electron first enter in 3p and then 4s. After 4s, electron enter in 3d, 4p and 5s. After 5s, electron first enter 4f, 5d, 6p and 7s. And after 7s, electron enter 5f, 6d, 7p. It is clear that the 7p is highest energy while 1s is lowest energy. Another is Pauli exclusion principle. According to Pauli, no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of four quantum number. Whenever three quantum number are same, spin quantum number must be differ. Spin quantum number must be differ. The maximum number of electron in the cell with principal quantum number n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 as denoted number of orbitals is equal to 2n square. And second to follow the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. According to the Hund's, the electron pairing will not take place in orbital of same energy until each orbital is singly filled. It means in a p orbital have three subcell px, py and pz. Whenever have four electron, then first of all, first singly filled, one in px, one in py and one in pz. Then fourth electron are entered to make pair in px. First they are singly filled and then make pair. For example, hydrogen 1s, there are only one electron. On the other hand, helium, first enter one and another. Each orbital have maximum 2 electrons. Lithium, boron, oxygen. They are in the common example of the boron. Atom number 5. They have 1s2, 2s2 and 2p. First 1s2 is completely filled, 2s also 2 electron are completely filled, but p have 3 suborbitals, px, py and pz. There are only one electron. First enter in px. And atomic number 8 for oxygen, they have 2p4. It means p orbital have 4 electron. First is singly filled. Px have 1 electron, py also 1 electron, and pz 1 electron, and then make pair. Right? These are the example of the chromium atom number 24. The energies filling of orbital is argon 18 3d4 4s2. The 3d have 4 electron, but these have 5 suborbitals. Therefore, no make pair. They are first singly filled. They have 4 electron enter and 4 has completely filled 2 electrons. Right? You try to make another electronic configuration in your fair copy and try to solve NCERT questions. And we are going to our next period. Try to solve some problems of the important questions. Thank you.